So come and join me today. I'm going to have a little walk around the Iberostar. We're in Playa de las Americas here in Tenerife. We're filming this in 2025, our second week of July, and it's pretty much high season. So let's have a mooch round, have a look. Now this is not a room tour. I'm not staying here. I'm staying at a hotel just around the corner. But I've just decided to have a little mooch round. And if you like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe, show the channel some love, give me a thumbs up, and I'll show you what's going on. Okay, let's go and explore. Top end now, it's near reception, so we have ample parking for these scootery things that are flying around everywhere, electric charging point, and quite a lot of space. You've got to hire a car, so let's go and check out, see what's going on. Hotel looks over the bay. It's very nice. I'll show you the vista from here first before we go inside. Look at that. That's lovely, isn't it? Down here we get the slides. And a nice breeze. And just beyond the hotel here, there's a selection of bars, restaurants, and if you want to walk down the hill, there's a good selection of really nice eateries and some crazy prices down there. You can get a pint for €1.50, which is absolutely amazing in 2025. Just as you come in through the main door, we have a gift shop, and directly behind we have the reception area. Pool table, nice chill out area. Let's carry on and have a look around, why not? Got quite a big seating area here and a big TV. Folk are watching a golf and motor racing and sports and what have you. Lovely big bar area. There's no aircon going on. Still quite warm. Time of filming, we're in midday here. A lovely big bar. Bar snacks. Crisp nuts. Huge area here. Stage for later on. That's quite good. I like the centre thing, so everyone can see what's happening. There's a big balcony here, so we're going to go and check out the balcony. A lot of these restaurants now are doing this. The hotels doing the QR code, so you're going to order something, you do the QR code. The posh hotels bring it to your table. Oh, look at this. This is, wow, this is a sun trap. Hotel next door. Check that out as well. You've got the coastal path that goes all the way around here as well. And then you could go all the way across to Los Cristianos and past Playa de las Americas. Very nice. Check out the other pool. If you've stayed here and you've got any room recommendations, why not leave a comment below in the section? Give people a good idea. Recommendations are always better, aren't they? You know, if someone's stayed here before and really knows the place, they can give some great tips. Nice pool down here. Nice sun lounge area here. Goodies. It's a bit posh. Nice little private area down here. And that's your view. Just look at that. Come on, that's fantastic. Okay, let's carry on and let's have a little look around and go downstairs and check out the pool area, the bars and the restaurants. We'll be down these steps and then you enter Star Prestige Adults Only area. Overlooks this beautiful view again. Can't go wrong with that, can you? Absolutely amazing. First impressions are the parasols, loads of shade, really liking it, and they've got quite a few shady areas, just if you don't want to be involved in the sunburn activity, which is kind of like me. Factor 50 and a half on full time, even when I'm in the pool. Crazy. Now from here, you walk down the main road all the way down, then you hit the coast road and you can walk all the way around the coast road, as I say, all the way to Los Cristianos, or the other way, which takes you that way, which will take you to Costa Adeje. Didn't notice that before. Got a little train whizzing people around. Okay, let's go and explore more. So we'll just come from this balcony, walking through. That smells like a medical area. All I can smell is antiseptic. Daytime activity program. If you're interested, let's just go blank. See if I can walk up to it. And we go. It's back on again. So with a freeze frame night, you know what's going on. Now there is a lift right next to me. Here. I'm going to walk down these steps. See what's happening. There you go, there's your lift. Last lift. We're going to go down there, see what's happening. We've got a photography booth here. You want some family photos or some pictures together if you're a couple. Made my way down the steps. Let's go see what's going on downstairs. Let's go check out the pools. See what's happening. like internet stations. We've got USB charging points. Chill out area. Yeah, again, definitely perfect for families or if you're having difficulties walking. Everything seems to be lifts. You got lots of slopes going on here. We've got a kids area going on. I'm not going to show much of this because obviously families and stuff, but I'm just going to whiz over. We've got the overview from this from upstairs. So we'll cut that short there. Games area. Pool tables and arcade games. Lots of glass going on. Staff must be cleaning this 24/7. You've got your prestige lounge here. I think that takes you upstairs to the bit I shot before. Yet again, nice easy slope gradients. If you're in a wheelchair or you're pushing prams around, nice and easy to get about. Definitely thought about we've got the odd bit of shade going on with the palm trees that they're put in. Exactly, that's my point. People do have accidents. You know people are staying here because they've got the bracelets on. The bracelets have like a little star thing. So I'm just going to whiz you around here. Show you what it looks like. Just up there, that's what we were before. Prestige area. The stage here. And then the whole thing is surrounded by glass again. So it's quite nice with the glass. It just takes the, if there's a strong breeze, it takes that away. But it also lets you look at the view. So rather than being a solid wall, which is quite nice, you get to look at the whole vista as well. That's your little walkway that goes all the way around. It's very busy. I think you'll be fighting for deck chairs here. Not deck chairs, called deck chairs. Sun lounges. Another section down here. See all the jet skis out in the water. Daytime snack bar with a lovely canopy to keep you cool. Very nice indeed. I'm going to whiz in there in a moment. Just going to have a quick look here, see what's here. I love these cactuses. They're really cool. It's a very, very, very big hotel, this. Let's have a look inside. Nice dining area. Yeah, again, not very air conditioned, to be honest. I was expecting this to be a bit cooler than what it was. That'll keep the flies away, I suppose. Just a selection of daytime snacks, salads. Hot food. And some desserts. There you go. Spin you around. Pour yourself a drink. Coffee, tea. And they've got soft drinks and beer and wine. You just pull your own. So there you go. That's your all-inclusive daytime lunch area. You have a gym. I can see people working out. So if you want to keep your fitness up while you're here, that is an option. We've got running machines I can see going on. Filming from outside. You see someone there getting a run on. I think there's some free weights going on as well. So there you go. Good selection of gym equipment. I did notice because people have got these bracelets on, which I obviously don't have. There is tappy gate lower down. So if you don't want to actually walk up the main road up the big hill, you can access the pool area, and then you can come and get the lift to your room. So we don't walk, done it. That's pretty good. Yeah, so just talking with this chap here, he was saying it's not 24-hour all-inclusive here, it shuts at 12. He's been here before, and he said it's a cracking hotel. Hey-oh, you got to take it from recommendations, haven't you? So if you do like this kind of content, why not like and subscribe? Give me a thumbs up. Subscribing is completely free, doesn't cost nothing. It supports my little channel, helps it grow. Yeah, everywhere I go, I like to do these little walk around places, little walk around tours. Keeps the steps up. As you can see, I'm a bit of a fat lad, so getting all this walking done, it's a good thing, isn't it, eh? Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.